பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புத ரேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புத ரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.
Balbasic Lota to share a few words on the theme a journey together. Please come forward on the dais.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. George Anthony Swami, Reverend Father Vincent Chinadurai, Reverend Father Jayakumar, my friends from all other faiths present here today, towards peace and communal harmony. Many things have been made very simple. Actually, we don't even have to think of communal harmony when we see the children showing what it is about we are here today. Like when a baby is born, what is it? It's full of amrit, nectar. It's divine. And as gradually it goes older, it sees the world, it gets into the worldly things, and then Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar, that is greed, attachment, and other vices, they come and take away the Amrit, the grace of God, what's given by the divine. A man, he does not realize that. Maybe after a long time, whereas, see, the first he goes his family life, and he goes to have worldly positions, etc. And the day he realizes it, it's sort of too late to reclaim all that Amrit. But then that is the way of the world. Why has God sent us here? That's the question mark you should understand. Because whatever is born, it has to go one day. There are no two ways in that. Absolutely no two ways. In Sikhism, we say, Krit karo, naam japo, vand chako. Krit karo means you do honest labor, hard work. Naam japo, thank the Almighty that for giving this opportunity in this life. And then vand chako. Vand chako is again sharing one's earnings. And the earnings again, mind you, need not be positions, it need not be wealth of kind. It can be knowledge, it can be something which you have. And again, it's like, you know, a rich man is somebody, it's not that who has everything, worldly possessions. It's somebody who knows what the world about. He's a rich man. And I had heard the speakers before, they were saying in India we have got everything, we have the continent. I would say differently, we have the world in India. It's not just continent, it's the world. Mind you, we have all the religions, we have all kinds of food, we have all kinds of people here, and we have all kinds of weather at any one given time. We don't have that. For other countries, you'll have to go somewhere hot, somewhere cold, things like that. Here we have everything. And I'm very glad that you have taken the initiative among all the religions that we have a common ground. And my personal thing is like when politics come into religion, that spoils it. Actually, as Father George Anthony Swami said, all religions are good. We are at par with anybody. But then again, as I told you, when the politics come into religion, when I want to be more than you, that's where it's a problem. When I want to be together with you, absolutely no problem. And with the dance that you have seen here, we have a Shabad in our Granth Sahib. Koi bole Ram Ram, koi Khudai, koi seve Gusaiya, koi Alai. Some say Ram, Ram, Ram. Some say Allah, Vaheguru, Jesus. What is the basics? The basics is all the same. Again, if I want to control here, no, that spoils everything. If I want to help you in whatever way I can, leave my ego, then we are at par and we are going to succeed. That's what Sikhism also is about. We like to share whatever we have. That way I would say, every Sikh is a rich man, whether he has money or whether he does not have money, because he believes in sharing. And Father, for your information, I am from a Christian school. I studied in Presentation Convent. During the exams, we used to go to the chapel for Mass. I have nothing wrong in that. God is only one. So if you believe that way, you are going to pass. If we believe, no, this is only God, this is not God, then we are not going to go ahead. It's as simple as that. If we are brothers, we should behave like brothers. I should not say, no, sir, you should not wear white, you should wear blue, you should not say namaz, or you should not say this prayer. Then again, it's gone wrong. Ask me what I can give, I will be there for you. That is how we share. I am thankful to all of you, especially the organizers who have called me and given me this opportunity. And mind you, in this life, what is it you have which you can call your own? It is only time. Time given by the Almighty. All other things are given to you in trust. All other things, whether it is material or knowledge or anything else, that is given to you in trust. And mind you, we have to use that properly to achieve our goal, to be successful in life and to go to the next step, whatever it is destined for us. I also thank my colleague Omkar Singh, who has come with me. He is spending his time especially for me. Thank you, Omkar. And once again, I thank the organization, and I do believe we should have some more meetings where we can have a better path. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புதரேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம், என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புதரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.